Welcome to Hornbill TV. Moi Lishin Chase ase aje ekta asurit incident hwa laga khobor bahar olaiche ki Nagaland police khan laga custody pra gold to haraishe koina aru utu case 13 police personnel opor FIR be registered hoi kina se kwa laga. Kintu Hornbill TV pra proper information PRO PHQ pra pa to FIR against 13 personnel laga to dusra alag incident laga se kuishe. Utu de detailed information PRO PHQ logo kotha kuribo. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, to social media to bishi confusion jase like gold case details la opor gold case to kiba krala to utula opor de details di parwa.
Yeah, sure. Acha, see, basically, there are two different criminal cases which are registered in the State Crime Police Station involving gold bars. One criminal case is in respect to the incident that happened in the month of September involving misappropriation of around 10 gold bars by 13 police personnel. So as soon as the PHQ received information misappropriation, prompt action was initiated. A criminal case is registered against 13 police personnel and the investigation is ongoing. Another criminal case was registered in the month of October, which is regarding the seizure of around 290 gold bars involving two civilians who were transporting the smuggled gold from Manipur side and registered, and the case investigation is still ongoing. See, these two are totally different criminal cases and they are not related to each other. And both the seizures, the misappropriated the 10 gold bars as well as the October case of 290 gold bars, all the seizures are still intact in police custody and there is no question of missing gold from police custody.
Yeah, so sir, 13 police personnel la opor de FIR thaga do utu ki karne esna?
As I told, see, in the month of September, we received information that these 13 police personnel who were posted in the check gate had misappropriated around 10 gold bars, which they seized from possession of one of the civilian. So, due to this misappropriation and dereliction of official duty, criminal case was registered against these 13 police personnel, and 10 gold bars were also seized from their possession, and it is right now in the custody of the police.
Okay, so utu October 3rd de duria la do intact thagishe, aru to gold do kun la thagishe, aru kudi lujai thagishe.
The 290 gold bars which were seized from two civilians who were transporting these smuggled golds from Manipur. So this is a incident which happened in the month of October. A criminal case has been registered and the investigation is still ongoing. So these two are entirely different and there is no question, let me repeat, there is no question of missing gold from police custody in both these cases.
Details janya dia karne bishi thanks.